Chilly winds are waltzing outside your window, and the coziness of the blanket has taken over. Just when you realize that a far off table lamp has to be switched off, or the geyser switched on, it is then that you strongly thirst for the Harry Potter's magic wand. Okta, a company settled in the National Capital Region, Noida, has a solution to save your lazy ass. Okta's smart plug combo lets you take full fledged control of the power sockets in your house or office right from your smartphone or Alexa or Google Assistant. Futuristic? Let's look deeply into it. Serving not only slackers, Okta smart plugs could be a significant aid in the lives of ailing as well as elderly beings. By downloading Okta's app into their smartphones, Android or iOS, you can toggle connected devices on or off by staying inside your snuggly blanket. The box shows the Okta branding and has two plugs. These work with Google Assistant as well as Alexa, can also be controlled by Wi-Fi and an app for both iOS and Android. It says exclusively packed for Sony as this is specially recommended for Bravia TVs. The bundle comes with a start guide, which tells you how to use your smartphone for controlling the plugs, and various use case scenarios. And then you see the smart plugs. The smaller is the 3 amp one. You can use this for general purpose devices. This plugs into the Indian sockets. The plug can take both Indian socket devices and the rectangular American and European devices. It has a small LED. The bigger plug is the 16 amp for ACs and geysers and other power plug devices. And this is the complete bundle. Go to Play Store or App Store and search for Okta Home app and install it. Now, sign up for the Okta account. Put in your email ID. A code is then sent to your email. Put that in. Now type in your phone number to receive an OTP. Select Set up your Okta device. Select Wi-Fi Smart Plug Kit. Scan the QR code on the back of each plug one by one. Now configure the Wi-Fi for each plug. The smart plug only connects to the long-range 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. Make sure the phone is also connected to the same network. Now plug in and switch on the mini plug. It will take a while for it to finish setting up the plug, and once done, the LED will light up steady white. Similarly, configure the Okta Plug Plus. You can switch on or off using this app. You can change the name of the plugs too. You can add the Okta app to the Google Home Assistant to use the plug with the voice assistant. For doing that, download and open Google Home. Inside it, hit Connect Okta Smart Home. Use the account info from the Okta Home app to log in. Now, use the voice assistant to control the device. Switch on plug 1. Switch off plug 1. To schedule the time for on and off a plug, open the Okta app. Hit the plug you want to schedule the time for. Select the schedule timer and activity history. Right now it is 8:04. I'll schedule the on position for 8:05. Now let's add one more schedule. I'll make 8:06 for switching off. There are a couple of other features that are there in the app. Hit any of the plugs and you see a lot of options. Hit the schedule timer and activity history and hit view 3 days activity history at the bottom. Here you will see all the times you switched on and off the plugs. Hit the supported voice commands. You will see all the voice commands that the device supports. You can also add remove auto timer at the bottom. This feature allows you to switch off the plug after a certain amount of time. You can change the name of the plug and the image that it shows them with. You can use multiple users controlling the device from multiple devices. When you hit installation support and help, it shows a video explaining the installation. The plug settings help you get all the network info about the plug. In an age where we are contemplating the use of IoT or Internet of Things in our lives, the Okta Smart Home Kit makes your life immensely convenient, but cannot qualify to be called a smart connected setup. For starters, it would be great to see these smart plugs keep a track of units of current consumed at their input and output ends, thus giving an idea of power efficiency of these devices. Further, the app doesn't notify users if a device has been continuously running for an alarmingly long time. Neither does the app send notifications or usage statistics over email. Moreover, we can't control the plugs remotely. So if you're not at home and you want to switch on your AC before you reach your house, you can't do that. And not to talk of what would happen in case there is a Wi-Fi outage. Something happens to your router, Wi-Fi goes off, you cannot control these plugs. Overall, it's a good starting point for home automation. The Okta Smart Plugs combo costs me around 1600 rupees. There are a lot of cheap Chinese plugs which are a lot cheaper but break down within a few months. So, as far as smart plugs go, I'll bet on Okta always. And given the fact that Okta Smart Plugs are a fruit of Make in India, we shall expect more attractive pricing and features in the future. Have a great day and goodbye.